Earth spins you eastward at 1,670 kilometers an hour, yet you feel none of it, because your body senses only changes in motion, never steady speed. Right now, the ground under your feet is racing east at 1,670 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a bullet, and you feel absolutely nothing. Your coffee sits dead still. A dropped key falls straight to your feet. The most violent motion of your life, and your body flatly denies it. For centuries, this was the proof Earth stood still. Drop a stone from a tall tower. If we're racing east, it should land far to the west. So could you ever prove from the ground that we move at all? In 1632, an old half-blind Galileo published the answer and was jailed for it. His proof wasn't a telescope, it was a ship. Seal yourself below decks while the ship is tied up. Watch closely. Flies buzz every way equally. Drips fall dead center. Fish favor no direction. Now let the ship sail, smoothly, fast as you like. Look again. Nothing changes at all. Shared motion is invisible motion. And the stone? It was already moving east with the tower. It keeps that motion as it falls and lands right at the tower's foot. Here's the deeper rule. Sit on a train at 300 kilometers per hour. Your coffee is a flat, calm disc. Your body feels only a change in motion, so watch the cup. What happens the instant the brakes bite? The instant the brakes bite, the coffee lurches and spills over the rim. The steady 300 did nothing. The brake, the change, did everything. Earth's spin is the cruise that never breaks. Steady, shared, unchanging, so the cup on your table never spills from it. But be honest, going in a circle is a gentle, constant pull inward. It's real, but tiny. 0.3% of gravity, and it never changes. Too small, too steady to feel. Then, in 1851, a self-taught outsider named Léon Foucault settled it. In the Paris Panthéon, he hung a single, enormous pendulum. 67 meters of wire, a 28-kilogram bob tracing lines in sand. Once swinging, inertia keeps it moving in exactly the same plane. But the line in the sand prepped about 11 degrees every hour. Paris was turning underneath it. At last, people could stand indoors and watch the Earth spin. And the pendulum maps the whole planet. You move fastest at the equator, slowest at the poles, where the spin is easiest to catch. Today, this rule lives in your pocket. Every phone, plane, and submarine senses acceleration and turning, but stays blind to steady speed, exactly like you. So let it settle into 3 simple truths. Speed hides. Only change reaches you. And patience dragged the spin into view. You only ever feel accelerations, never motion itself. Earth carries you east faster than a bullet, and it feels like perfect stillness. That is the rule behind every hidden force still to come. Thank you for watching. Our small team works tremendously hard on every one of these animations. Following, subscribing, and sharing is what keeps Ortus alive. There is a new video every day. See you tomorrow.